So we have already learned that what linear equation in term of one variable. Okay, linear equation is one variable is always in the form of this one. Okay, we have already learned this one in the previous classes or the same class which we are doing. Okay, where a and b are the real numbers. Okay, and a should not be equal to 0. Okay, this much we know. Now we have entered in the topic where we will learn the linear equation in two variables. Okay, linear equation in two variables. Okay, next. For example, they gave us this one 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Now they are asking to find out the x value. What I will do, we know this one, we already did this type of things. Okay, so 2x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 by 2. We know this one. Yes, sir, we know this one. So it means that x value is minus 5 by 2, or we can say that 5 by 2 is the solution of this equation. Okay, solution, or you can see it is the root of this equation. Minus 5 by 2 is the solution of this equation, or we can say minus 5 by 2 is the root of this equation. Okay, so means what I am trying to say, x satisfy the given condition. Okay, where we are having x value as minus 5 by 2. So from there we can say the value of x which satisfy a given linear equation, means this value is satisfying the given linear equation. Okay, we can say that is a solution.
Like
we
and
can
share.
say, so x is equal to minus 5 by 2 is the solution of this linear equation, or we can say this is the root of this equation. Okay, so minus 5 by 2 is the solution of this equation, or we can say minus 5 by 2 is the root of this equation. This much we know. Yes, sir, we know this one, sir. This was in case of what? One variable. Okay, in case of one variable. Okay, now we will see, okay, regarding the linear equation in two variable. Okay, so now we have entered into the topic where we will discuss about the linear equation two variables. Okay, so the equation is in the form of this one, where it is in two variables. Okay, two variables means there should be two unknown values, x and y. Okay, where in the previous one it was only x, where a, b, comma, c are real numbers, which was there in the previous case. It was a, comma, b were real numbers. Okay, such that a is not equal to 0. Okay, b is not equal to 0. Then it is called linear equation two variable, where x and y are the two variables. Okay, it should be there in the two variable form now. Okay, let us see what was there in the case of one variable. So this was the thing. Okay, so here it was one in form of one variable. Understand the difference between two variables and one variable. One variable only x was there. Okay, in the previous case only x was there, but in that case there were x and y, where a is not equal to 0. Okay, you understood this one, na? Okay, so in this case only one variable is there, that is x. But in the previous case, in the linear two variable, there are x and y. So this is the great difference between the two variables. Okay, understood linear equation one variable and the linear equation in two variable. Okay, let's go into the two variable form and let us do some other questions. So these are some of the examples of linear equation two variable. So here one variable, two variables are the x and y. One variable, again two variables. So you understood what are two variables and how it look like. So, okay, let's go. So the question is, they're saying that by using this number from the above equation, the equation which we have, you have to find out that you have to write this the above equation in the form of this one, and you have to find out the value a and b and c. Okay, so it's very easy for us. Is it easy? Let me see. Okay, everything is easy for us only without doing only. Okay, so first one, the first equation is the solution. Let's go for the solution. The first equation is this one. Let us copy the equation. 2x plus 3y minus 12 equal to 0. Okay, the way I have written. Okay, now this one I have to write in the below that only, ay by plus c equal to 0. Okay, so remember one thing, you see, according to this form, all the alphabets, all the variables are on the left hand side, no one is on the right hand side. So here the equation should be also like that. So we saw that all the variables and all the constants on the left hand side only. Great. So now our work is to get the values. Now you see, now I'll tell you the thing. So this is a value. Okay, you just match the equation with this one. So now b value. Okay, and see here wherever minus is there, so you will consider the minus also. So here plus is there, a minus is there, so you will consider the c. So what is left, that is c only. Okay, so whatever is there along with x, so a value, whatever is there along with y, there's a b value, and what is not having any variable, it is not having any variable, means x and y, any letters are not there, only a single constant is there, then it's a c value. Remember this thing you write anywhere. So any value which is having a variable x, so it will be considered a only. Okay, any value which is having y variable, so b value only. If it's not having any value, it's only constant, that's a c value. Okay, so from here what is the value? So sir, a value will be 2. Okay, so b value equal to 3, and c value is minus 12. C value is minus 12. Clear? Yes, it's very clear for us. Let's give us some more examples. Okay, so from here, again, if you arrange the equation, if you'll see all the equation on the left hand only. Okay, so A value is 4 because hex only. B value, sir, what is there? Nothing is there, only y is there. Only y is there, nothing else is there. Okay, we'll see what we have to do. Okay, so it's okay. Now, so A we can easily get. A is equal to 4 only. We understand. So what about the B? So B, y, okay. So what about the B? So nothing is there. So you'll assume it's having a 1. Minus sign is also there. So you'll consider whenever minus sign is there, you have to consider the minus sign also. So B equal to how much, sir? So minus 1. C equal to nothing, only plus. So 5. Clear? Yes, sir. It's very clear for us. So tell me the third one. So here, along with x, who is there? So root 2. So A value is root 2. So along with y, sir, minus is also there. Okay, so it will be minus root 3. So B value is minus root 3. C value, so here also minus is there. So minus 9. So whenever minus is there, you have to consider the minus also. So you understood A value is root 2, B value is minus root 3, C value is 9. Okay, so if it is on the right side, left side, then what you have to do? That one also I will tell you what you have to do. Okay, so these are the 3 questions which we have to do. Now we know that it should be always in the form of this one. It is always in the form of this one. Now, so means whatever is there, it should be on the left hand side. Okay, so we'll see everyone is on the left. No, sir, only 3 is on the left hand side, remaining on the right hand side. So what you have to bring all in the one place. Okay, 3 as it is. Now this one will come, this one also. So minus 2x and minus y equal to 0. Now it's okay, sir, but after bringing everything on the left hand side, what you have to do, it should be in this form only. Means first x should be there, then y should be there, then constant should be there. But here constant is there, x is there, so this is jumbled. So what you have to, x should be constant, x should be the starting. So what is the sign? X or minus. So place it like this, minus. After the y should be there, what is the sign here? So minus. Okay, after the constant, what is the sign? Plus. So plus equal to 0. Now they are being arranged. Now you say ax plus, now you see, now you will do according to that. So it will write ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Yes, sir. After that, what you have to do? After that, so a is equal to minus 2 because minus is there. B equal to, sir, nothing is the minus 1. C equal to, sir, 3. Very right answer. Okay, so whenever minus is there, you will consider, if nothing number you have, you will consider it as a 1. Okay, it should be always in this form only. Okay, let's go for the next one. So this is the next equation. Okay, so is it in this form? Okay, left side, this right side. So you have to bring this one on the left hand side. Okay, so 3x minus 8 minus 5y equal to 0. Done, sir. What is done? After that, what you have to do? You have to see whether it's arranged in the form x, y, constant. X, okay, sir, constant, y. So it should be here, that should be there. So what is the, so this one as it is in its place only. Okay, after the y should come. Y, what is the sign it is having? Sir, minus. Okay, so minus y. And after the constant, what is the sign? It is minus. Sir, right, sir. After that you write this one below. A is equal to how much? A is equal to 3. B is equal to, sir, I will tell you. Okay, minus 5, right answer. And C is equal to minus 8. Done. Okay, if you know, you understood, you pause the video and you do the sums. This one, now, sir, this one how to do? Only 2 numbers. So that one also I will tell you. Now, first thing is what? Everyone should be on the left hand side. So in everyone's only 2 are there, 3 should be there. First you bring them left hand side. Okay, everyone on the left hand side. So nothing is left. After that, sir, it's done. Why it's done? So because x is there, y is there. But what about c? C is not there. So no value, sir. That's what I will do. In that case, you will place 0. It should be always in this form only. If nothing is there, you write 0. Okay, just like x minus 4y plus 0 or minus 0, it doesn't matter. Okay, so done. So a value is how much? So nothing is there. So before, you will not consider x. Okay, x, see what I'm trying to say is that, so 2 variable is in this form only. Okay, so here if you will say, you will not consider this x, we'll take this one a, will not consider this one, we'll take it b. In the same way, we'll not consider this one. What is there before this? Or 1 is there. So a value is 1, b value is minus 4, c value is 0. Simple. Okay, if they have not given you, will take it 0. Everyone should be on the left hand side. Remember this thing. Now these are some of the more equations. Now this is in the form of numerator and denominator. So in this case, sir, what we have to do? Simple. Why you getting test? Okay, so is it having any numerator, denominator is there? No, it is not having any numerator and denominator. Then what you have to do? We'll see this one, what we have to do. So first let me write the question. Sir, x by 3 minus y by 2 equal to 5. Okay, you know this one. Okay, after that we can, sir, if we'll say this one, sir, it is in, so everyone should be on the left hand side. Okay, it's not there. Yes, it's okay. After that, sir, we'll get the value. Leaving x, what are the values you have? A value. Okay, so wait. So what will the value? So 2 methods are there. Okay, 2 methods are there. If can I write this one like this? 1 by 3 into x. For this one, yes, sir. Minus 1 by 2 into y. Yes, sir. Minus 5 equal to 0. So x is, a value is how much? So 1 by 3, b value is minus 1 by 2, c value is minus 5. Or some of the students, what they do, they take out, they remove the denominator. They remove the, you know how to do solve this one? Yes sir, we know how to solve. Okay, if not, this is also right answer. So a value is 1 by 3, b value is 1 by minus 1 by 2, c value is minus 5. Okay, or somewhere, so like this also you can do, removing the denominator. A value is 2, b value is minus 3, c value is minus 30. This one also is right, both the methods are right. Okay, next let's go for, now what about this one? So same thing, so they have not been arranged, they have jumbled, so you will bring this one this side and you arrange them. So after arranging, a value will be root 2, b value will be 4 and c value will be minus 3, minus root 2, है ना? Okay, this will come this side, it will become what? Minus, na? Understood? So a value is minus root 2, b value is 4 and c value is minus 3. Okay, now I am leaving this one for you. Okay, if you know the answer, okay, arrange this and tell me the answer in the comment box if you know the answer. Let me see how many of them guess the right. You will tell a value, b value and c value. Okay, let's go for the next one. So in this one you have understood what, how to find out the a, b and c, what are two variables. Okay, so we are done with this part. Okay, it's very clear for you. Okay, thank you.